Namaskar, hello and welcome back. In my previous video, I spoke to you about committing a mistake. In today's video, I'll be talking about accepting a mistake. Now, when I say that, it's like, before going into deep of this particular topic, let me make a statement. Committing a mistake is human nature, but accepting a mistake is more of your values and your principles, what you believe in. Right, so that is something which I personally have got a lot of experience of, and experience of committing mistakes. Yes, of course, right. But after interacting with many people, I got to know that it's a very tough thing to accept your mistake. There are two basic reasons that people don't accept their mistake. I'm just making it out of my experience and my interactions with people, and I may be wrong. But two basic reasons that why people don't accept their mistakes. Number one is fear of being criticized and fear of being judged. That's the point number one. And second is, of course, the reason that is always there in everybody's mind, that is ego, right? So first thing is, when people think of that I may be judged or I may be criticized because of the mistake that I have committed, and people may start judging me, that is the reason most of the people go onto the back foot and don't accept their mistake. Second thing is the ego, which is there in everybody's mind, and that is something which is affecting us in a very wrong way, which is absolutely not acceptable, right? So why I would go ahead and definitely say that you should accept our mistake is because of one simple reason, right? There is a possibility that you may be judged, you may be criticized, you may be you may be thought as in everything could be thought about you. But when you accept your mistake, it gives you an opportunity and a liberty to move on and grow in your life, right? So it is more of whenever you accept your mistake, there is a possibility that the person to whom you are accepting that I have committed a mistake and I would like to go for an apology, right? So there is a possibility that person may not accept your apology at that particular moment, right? But it's that is something which is not in your hands. So don't focus on what the person will think or what the person will say. Rather, I would definitely say that if you are accepting your mistake, you're giving yourself an opportunity to grow and move on, and at the same time you are showing your willingness to improve in your life. That is something which is a very basic human nature, that we want to evolve and we want to improve, right? And when you commit a mistake and people are not accepting your mistake, it's absolutely fine, right? You have shown the maturity, you have shown the importance of accepting the mistake, you have shown that the person is more important than the ego and the mistake as well, right? So that is more important for you as a person to accept your mistake and move on, right? But as I mentioned in the last video also, you're not supposed to commit the same mistake again. So if you have committed one mistake, learn from that and then move on. So that is something which is very important. And when you accept your mistake, you put yourself into a state of peace of mind, which is very much important. So people may accept, people may not accept, people may forgive you, people may not forgive you, people may forget, people may not forget. Whatever the situation is, you are at mental peace that okay, I have committed a mistake, I have accepted it, and now I'm trying to move on. If people want to move on with you, they'll be with you. If they don't want to move on, it's their loss, right? Right. So thank you so much, and I hope that this video has given you a new line of thought, and if it has, please do share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you.